हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, शुरू करते हैं अल्लाह ताला की बाबरकत नाम से जो कि बड़ा ही मेहरबान और नहायत ही रहम करने वाला है। स्टूडेंट्स, आज की क्लास में हम बात करेंगे मॉडल वर्ब कुड के बारे में। स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट द मॉडल वर्ब could. As I told you in the previous class that could is past form of the can. Can is used for the present tense and could is used for the past tense. Can को हम present tense के लिए यूज़ करते हैं और could को हम past tense के लिए यूज़ करते हैं। जैसा कि previous क्लास में जब हमने can की बात की तो हमने आपको बताया कि कैन जो है उसके माने हैं करने के लिए, लेकिन अहलियत रखना या लायक होना। मीन्स इन इंग्लिश वी कैन से दैट द मीनिंग ऑफ कैन इज टू शो योर एबिलिटी टू डू एनी काइंड ऑफ वर्क। सो दिस इज the meaning of can, and we are going to use could today in this class. Let's see what is the formula and the identification of could. Students, could is used by two ways. There are two formulas. I am going to tell you that which formula you think that it's easy for you, you can use that formula. So the first formula for could is subject plus could plus verb first form plus object, and the second formula is subject plus could have plus verb third form plus object. So it's depend on you that which formula you are going to use. So if we talk about the identification, then the identification is if there is sakta tha, sakti thi, sakte the at the end of the sentence in Urdu, we use could in English. Could or could have. If we use could, then we use for verbs first form. If we use could have, then we use verbs third form. Let's see that how can we make sentences by using could or could have. Let's see. आइए देखते हैं कि हम could को इस्तेमाल करते हुए या could have को इस्तेमाल करते हुए sentences कैसे बनाते हैं। Students, the first sentence which I have for could, that is हम वक्त पर पहुंच सकते थे। We could reach in time. And you also can make sentence by using second method, that is we could have reached in time. Now both the methods are correct. Which method you feel that it's easy for you, you can use that method. So the second sentence is आप कुरान पाक की तिलावत कर सकते थे। You could recite the Holy Quran. And the second way is you could have recited the Holy Quran. वो मैच जीत सकते थे। They could win the match. And you can use then second method, that is they could have won the match. There's another sentence. It is राशिद बाजार से सब्जियां खरीद सकता था। Rashid could buy vegetables from the market. You can make this sentence as using could have, that is Rashid could have bought vegetables from the market. अमीर गरीबों की मदद कर सकते थे। The rich could help the poor. And the second way to make sentence by using could have is the rich could have helped the poor. Students, now we have some sentences which are interrogative sentences. Let's see how to make these sentences as interrogative sentence. The sentence is क्या वो हमें शिकस्त दे सकते थे? Could they defeat us? And the second way is could they have defeated us? क्या वो मेरा साथ दे सकता था? Could he stand by me? The second way to make sentence by using could have is could he have stood by me? क्या आसिफ आपको अंग्रेजी सिखा सकता था? Could Asif teach you English? The second way to make sentence is could Asif have taught you English? Yes, now we are going to make negative sentences, and you must know how to make negative sentences by using could or could have. So the first sentence is बारिश की वजह से बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जा सकते थे. Children could not go to school because of rain. The second way to make sentence is children could not have gone to school because of rain. The second sentence is हम आपका इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकते थे. We could not wait for you. The second way to make sentence by using could have is we could not have waited for you. The third sentence is बाबर आपको धोखा नहीं दे सकता था. Babar could not deceive you. The second way to make sentence by using could have is Babar could not have deceived you. Since it was the use of could and could have, and you learnt that if you use could, then you have to use verb's first form, and if you use could have, then you have to use verb's third form. And could is the past form of the verb can, and it is used to show the ability to do something. So I think you will have understood that how to use could and could have. तो स्टूडेंट ये था could और could have का इस्तेमाल. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको अच्छे तरीके से समझ आ चुका होगा. मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त. अपना और अपने प्यारों का बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह ने निगहबान. गुड बाय.